How to obtain Boohooman promo codes. Immediately upon entering the site, you'll see a navigation bar overhead that may flash codes such as this one, so keep an eye out. Signing up with your email will also grant you discounts from up to 10 to 15% off. Use reliable coupon sites like Unidays or Student Beans. If you're an employee, you should also check in with your status to get up to 40 up to 50% off. Referral codes are also a reliable way to bag discounts. App users for Boohooman can get access to discounts and early sales that aren't available on the websites, so make sure you have the app installed. Some deal sites offer seasonal codes, which offer discounts ranging from 10 to 40%. Apply the discount at checkout, entering it in the code field, and complete the order. Congratulations! Now you have Boohooman merch for cheap.